In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow camera, microphone, and location in DuckDuckGo browser. Welcome back. In this guide, I'll walk you through a simple and practical way to enable your camera, microphone, and location permissions while using the DuckDuckGo privacy browser for Google Meet. This will help you join meetings smoothly with full audio, video, and location access when required. This method works on both desktop and mobile versions, and the permission prompts will appear directly during the meeting process when needed. Now, before we begin, it's important to understand something clearly. I'm using Google Meet for this tutorial because there is no direct settings menu inside DuckDuckGo browser to manually turn on camera, microphone, and location permissions. Instead, all permissions are handled dynamically through website prompts. That means the browser only asks you when a site like Google Meet requests access, which is why we will demonstrate everything inside the meeting itself. To start, open your DuckDuckGo browser and go to meet.google.com. Once the page loads, either join an existing meeting or start a new one. This step is important because Google Meet only triggers permission requests when it needs to use your device features. As you enter the meeting or try to join, you will see permission pop-ups appear on your screen. These prompts are where the browser asks for access to your camera, microphone, and sometimes your location. When the camera permission appears, simply select Allow so your video can be shared with other participants in the meeting. When the microphone permission appears, choose Allow as well so your voice can be heard clearly during the call. If a location permission prompt appears, you can also allow it, especially if it is required for regional settings or security verification. If you do not see all the permission requests immediately, do not worry. The DuckDuckGo browser only shows these prompts when a website actively tries to use a feature, so some requests may appear later during the session. In many cases, the microphone option may not show right away until the site directly activates it, which is completely normal behavior for privacy-focused browsers. Once you allow the necessary permissions, your Google Meet session should work properly with both video and audio enabled. If anything does not work as expected, simply refresh the page or rejoin the meeting, and the permission prompts will usually appear again. Always make sure you're fully inside the meeting before expecting any permission pop-ups, since they only trigger when the service is active. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to enable camera, microphone, and location access in DuckDuckGo browser using Google Meet as a real-time example, especially since there is no direct settings panel for these permissions. Everything is handled securely, simply, and on demand. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.